Data structures and algorithms, huh? Sounds like a fancy way of saying how to organize and manipulate information in a computer. I mean, who knew that computers were so picky about how they like their data served up to them? But seriously, data structures are like the filing cabinets of the computer world. They're the way we store and organize all the bits and bytes of information that make up our digital lives. And algorithms? Well, those are like the little elves that work behind the scenes, making sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. I like to think of data structures as the building blocks of computer science. Without them, our programs would be like a messy room with stuff scattered everywhere. Can you imagine trying to find your favorite pair of socks in a room like that? It would be a nightmare. So, we use data structures to keep things neat and tidy. We've got arrays, which are like rows of neatly labeled boxes where we can store all our stuff. And then there are linked lists, which are like a string of pearls, each one connected to the next in a beautiful, orderly fashion. But it's not just about storing data. It's also about being able to find and manipulate that data quickly and efficiently. That's where algorithms come in. They're like the secret sauce that makes everything work like magic. Take searching, for example. If you're looking for a specific piece of information in a huge pile of data, you don't want to have to sift through it all one by one. That's where algorithms like binary search come in handy. They help us narrow down our search quickly and efficiently, like a digital bloodhound sniffing out a clue. And then there's sorting. Imagine trying to put a jigsaw puzzle together without first sorting the pieces by color or shape. It would be chaos. Algorithms like quicksort and merge sort help us sort our data in the most efficient way possible, so we can put the pieces of the puzzle together in record time. But data structures and algorithms aren't just about making our lives easier. They're also about making our programs run faster and more efficiently. Think of it like having a well-oiled machine that hums along smoothly, instead of a clunky old jalopy that sputters and wheezes. So, the next time you're writing a program and you find yourself scratching your head, wondering how to organize your data or make your code run faster, just remember, data structures